Our final story shows a different kind of disaster, one where the board's influence didn't just tear apart a family, but threatened to corrupt the very foundation of the justice system. This is the incredible true story of the Ouija board jurors, a 1994 case in the United Kingdom that showed how a parlor game could derail a high-profile murder trial. The case was the trial of Stephen Young, a man accused of the brutal double murder of Harry and Nicola Fuller. It was a long, grueling trial, and after 5 weeks, the jury was sequestered to deliberate. Unable to reach a verdict, they were put up in a hotel for the night. It was there that things took a bizarre and unprecedented turn. Fueled by alcohol and stress, 4 of the jurors decided to hold a séance. They wanted to ask one of the victims, Harry Fuller, directly who had killed him. They made a Ouija board out of a piece of paper and used a wine glass for a planchette. There in that hotel room, the 4 jurors, who held a man's life in their hands, tried to contact the dead for a verdict. According to later reports, they believed it worked. They supposedly made contact with Harry Fuller's spirit and asked the ultimate question, "Who killed you?" Slowly, the glass moved across their makeshift board, spelling out a name, Stephen Young Dunnett. The spirit allegedly offered more information before delivering one final chilling order: vote guilty tomorrow. The jurors were deeply shaken and agreed to keep their supernatural consultation a secret. The next day, they returned to court and declared Stephen Young guilty. Justice, it seemed, was served. But the secret didn't hold. A month later, a newspaper headline blew the case wide open: Murder Jury's Ouija Board Verdict. The story revealed that jurors had used a Ouija board, and the legal system was thrown into chaos. A defendant must be judged on evidence, not on messages from the great beyond. The Court of Appeal had to step in. They ruled the séance was a material irregularity that compromised the entire trial. The verdict could not stand. Stephen Young's conviction was quashed, and a retrial was ordered. The disaster here wasn't a ghost, but a catastrophic failure of the justice system that forced the victim's family to endure the ordeal all over again. While Young was ultimately convicted again in a second trial, the case remains a powerful and bizarre warning of how seeking answers from the board can lead to consequences that ripple far beyond a single scary night, causing a disaster on a scale few could ever imagine.